How to remove original sound or audio on Instagram Reel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily remove the original sound from your reel while you upload on Instagram. So the first thing you want to do is open up Instagram application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you have to do here is create a reel. So you can tap on the plus icon at the center at the bottom. Now from here you want to go over to the reel section at the bottom right corner and then simply tap on reel. Then you want to select the video or a reel that you want to upload. And once you do that, as you can see, it has this original audio. Now what I can do is simply swipe up to audio and you can go over to the volume section down below and then mute the clip's audio. So what I want to do is you can also add voiceover if you want. So simply go ahead and tap on the edit button at the bottom left and then tap on volume. Now you can find the clip audio over here. You can completely mute this out and then tap on done. Now even if I play the video, it's not going to play the audio. Now next step is you can add the audio to the track. So tap on add audio and you can search audios from Instagram itself and then tap on next. Select the part that you want to be displayed in the reel, tap on done, and now you have successfully used the other audio. Now if I just go ahead and post this to my profile, it's not going to be shown as original sound. Now once the reel has been posted, I can go to the audio section at the bottom right, and it's not going to be shown as the original audio. So that's basically it guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.